Replacement Windows Rockford, Illinois is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of window options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, Rockford residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Rockford window installation experts provide top-notch services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Energy-efficient windows in Rockford are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Rockford window contractors offer a range of energy-efficient window solutions to meet your specific needs and preferences. Vinyl windows in Rockford, Illinois are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, vinyl windows are a favorite among Rockford residents. Whether you're looking for replacement windows or new installations, vinyl windows. Rockford, Illinois offers a variety of styles and designs to choose from. Replacement windows Rockford are a classic choice for many homeowners. These windows offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a practical option for any home. Rockford Window Replacement Services can help you select the best double-hung windows to match your home's aesthetic and functional needs. Custom windows in Rockford IL provide a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Whether you're interested in bay windows, casement windows, or any other style, custom windows Rockford IL can be tailored to fit your specific design preferences. Rockford window experts can guide you through the process of selecting and installing custom windows that enhance your home's curb appeal. Window repair in Rockford, Illinois is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your home windows. From fixing broken window glass to addressing issues with window frames, Rockford window repair services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Trust the window experts, Rockford, Illinois, to handle all your window repair needs efficiently and effectively. Bay windows in Rockford add a touch of elegance and charm to any home. These windows create a cozy nook and allow for ample natural light, making them a popular choice among Rockford homeowners. Bay windows Rockford can be customized to fit your home's style and provide a beautiful focal point for any room. Casement windows in Rockford IL offer a sleek and modern look for your home. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward, providing excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Casement windows. Rockford IL are available in various materials and finishes, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home's design. Replacement windows Rockford are skilled professionals who specialize in window installation, repair, and replacement. With years of experience and expertise, Rockford window contractors can handle any window project, big or small. Whether you need new home windows, Rockford, Illinois, or window upgrades Rockford IL, these contractors provide reliable and efficient services.